Hey, this is Ted. We're here today talking about the new, to me, 2014 Toyota Tundra 1794 edition. It's got the 5.7 V8 in there, so lots of power. Runs great. This review really isn't going to be about, the features and specifics of the second generation Tundras. There's 100 reviews about that out there. So you're welcome to watch any of those. This will be more specific to this truck, and what I'm focusing on here, little things that kind of indicate the durability. Not really the best for everything in the truck, but overall, for the most part, it's still in excellent shape for 200,000 miles in 11 years.
Would you trade faded paint for rust on a truck? Which is better? Which is worse? What do you think? Comment below. This is a 1794 edition 2014 Toyota Tundra. New to me, came from the Southwest. It is now in the Great White North. And we're going to find out how long we can make a truck last. Just under 200,000 miles on it right now. And we'll be seeing a lot more of this in future videos. A little tour of the interior of the 1794 edition 2014 Tundra. Got our JBL speaker. And look at the detailers used a glossy finish detailing stuff up there. It reflects off the windshield as you're driving. You can see it. It's not ideal, but certainly something that can be fixed. It's got the factory radio in there. Seems to be working fine for me. I've heard lots of complaints on or seen them in other videos. I think it sounds pretty good. You just got to turn it up. There's a couple cracks in the steering wheel. That could be from the heat of the desert there getting to it. Out of the great Southwest. Now look here on the passenger door. You can hear or on the driver's side door, the plastic's all scratched up really bad. And that's one of the lacking durability issues that these Tundras have had with the interior. I've seen in other reviews as well. And that I think might be a feature unique to the 1794, where you get to leave your truck out in the heat and the sun a little too much, your steering wheel cracks. And it's all around this wood grain part of the steering wheel where the cracks are. Still love the truck though. Well, the seats are in great shape, and the rest of the interior, look at how big the back is. Ginormous. Look at that. Look at that. This thing's never been salted up. About to be though. No rust at all. Isn't that pretty? That's not something you see every day up here.
Oh, really?
Something with no rust at all.
Okay.
Down under here, let's look at the suspension stuff. Well, maybe a little surface rust in there, but it's pretty good. Look at that frame. Look at that frame. That's what you want right there. All right. Let's go around the other side.
You want to take a video on this side?
Yeah, we'll see. Look at that. The leaves, the brackets. That's beautiful. Not even the exhaust. Oh yeah, hear that? Hear that? And look at the clear coat on my 2014 Tundra I just got from Great Southwest. Kind of sucks when you're driving because you look right at it. You see it all the time. It's just unfortunate. And rubber rail stuff is gone. Get as much as we can here. Looks like the clear coat's pretty much gone from the roof. All the way around. Get around the other side quick. The back ends, back panels, door panels, everything, all those look fine. That's what we're looking at on the roof. There's our hood. I mean, overall, beautiful truck. Let's take a minute to check out the bed and this tonneau cover on the Tundra here. It appears to be in pretty good shape. Maybe a bit of a ding right in here. Looks like maybe backed into something. A little mud from the transport. Soft landing for the tailgate. And then here we got life under the tonneau covers on the, got the plastic bed liner in here. And then here we just, and this just folds back. That's why they call it the back flip. Flip it back. But I think it only goes so far. I think that's as far as we go right here. Seems like it's missing piece along here where it would attach. So I don't think this tonneau cover is completely intact. I think we leak a little water up in here because it was a bit wet back there after the car wash. We'll see what happens when I wash it again. If it doesn't keep stuff even dry, then it makes it a lot less useful to me.
I'll be back.
But there you have it. The backside of the Tundra.
You know, even though a lot of this sounds kind of negative, I think the bottom line here is that if a guy wants a brand new pristine truck, he can get a new one, you know. You got to spend probably 3 times more than I spent for this truck to do it. Is it really worth that? I mean, for me, I want a truck to be a truck. That means it's going to get dirty. It's going to get bounced around. It's going to get stuff and put in the back and taken out of the back. You know, I don't want to have to worry about it too much. And I also don't want to spend 75 grand on a brand new truck. So it is what it is. It's great. It'll get the job done for me. I'm pleased. It's a winner. Like, subscribe, comment, share, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.